Hey guys, this is a $150 mystery box from Fox Airsoft. Yeah, let's get into it. You know, gotta use that cleaver to open it up. You know, like a normal person, obviously. Okay, should begin. Okay, first off, you got a hat. Okay, that's that, whatever. Then we got some CO2 cartridges. Pretty much proves that we're gonna get a CO2 pistol, so it's pretty cool. Ooh, look at this. M9A3 CO2 Airsoft Full Auto Plus Blowback. Ooh, Beretta. Okay, that seems really good, and it has some weight to it, so this actually seems pretty good pistol. Yeah, this actually has a good amount of weight to it. Oh my gosh. Okay, this feels nice. Oh, this feels so nice. Okay. Dude, this feels nice. Oh my. Dude. Oh. Dude, this feels so nice. Whew. Okay. Anything else in this? Oh, just these little things, whatever. Okay. A couple more things in the box. Speed loader. $5. Cool, I guess. I have whatever that is. Okay. $1.49 for that. Kinda sucks, but little American flag patch. It's kind of cool, I guess. $8. It's pretty cool. Lastly, we have Pro Series 0.2 gram BBs. How many? I have no clue actually. Oh, 1,000. So it's pretty good. So yeah, that's pretty much it. To recap, we got this pistol. Actually feels super nice. Has good weight to it. Feels really nice. So yeah, we got kind of cool patch, I guess. American flag. 1,000.2 gram BBs from Lancer Tactical. A little that thing. Universal speed loader. What's that? Pack of 5 CO2 cartridges to go for the pistol. And the best thing of all, an amazing hat. So that's the box, $150 Airsoft, Fox Airsoft mystery box. I think it was pretty worth it. That's a pretty good pistol. Thanks for watching.